We're going to explain how to change the date format in Excel to YYYY. This is a common task, and thankfully, it's pretty straightforward. There are a few different ways to do it, and we'll cover the most common and easiest methods. Using the number format option. This is the quickest and most common method. First, select the cells containing the dates you want to reformat. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells, or by using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+A to select all cells. Once selected, right-click on the selection and choose Format Cells, and from the context menu, a dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Select Number. Then, within the Category section, choose Date. Now look on the right-hand side. You'll see a list of predefined date formats. Scroll through the list until you find YYYY, or a similar format that uses the day, month, and year in the correct order, with the slashes as separators. Select it and click OK. Your dates should now be displayed in the YYYY format. If you don't see the exact format you want, don't worry. We'll cover creating a custom format in the next step. 2. Creating a custom date format. If the built-in date formats don't have exactly what you need, you can create your own custom format. Follow the same steps as above to get to the Format Cells dialog box. After selecting Number and then Date, notice the Type field at the bottom. Instead of selecting a predefined format, you can type DDMY directly into this Type box. The lowercase dd, mim, and y represent the day, month, and year respectively. Click OK. Excel will interpret your input and format the selected dates according to your specification. It's important to use the lowercase letters because Excel uses those for the appropriate fields. Using uppercase or different combinations will result in a different format or errors. 3. Using the Format Painter. This method is useful if you've already formatted a cell with the correct date format and you want to quickly apply it to other cells. Select the cell containing the date with the YYYY format that you want to copy. Then, click the Format Painter button, it looks like a paintbrush, in the Home tab on the ribbon. Next, select the cells to which you want to apply the formatting. The format, including the date format, will be copied to these selected cells. Remember, these methods only change how the date appears. The underlying date value remains the same and can still be used in calculations or other operations within Excel. After completing these steps, your dates should be displayed in the preferred YYYY format. If you have any issues, double-check that your regional settings in Excel and your operating system are consistent, as this can sometimes affect how dates are displayed.